What if I told you that you can use paid AI tools completely for free without any credit card or trial limits? Sounds crazy, right? In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing website called LM Arena, where you can generate AI images and videos using powerful tools like ChatGPT, Grok, Nano Banana, Cdance, and thousands of other AI models, all in one place and totally free. First, open Google Chrome and search for LM Arena. If you're not familiar with it, let me explain quickly. LM Arena is a unique platform that allows you to access and test many premium AI tools without paying anything. Normally, these tools are paid, but on LM Arena, you can use them freely to create content, experiment with AI, and level up your creativity. Once you're on the website, let's start with image generation. You'll see an option to generate images, so click on that and choose any image model you like from the top. After selecting the model, simply write your prompt describing the type of image you want. As soon as you hit enter, within a few seconds, the AI will generate your image exactly based on your prompt. Now, let's move to video generation, which is where things get really interesting. Select the video generation option, write your video prompt, and hit enter. After a short wait, your AI-generated video will be ready. Sometimes the first video may not come out perfect, and that's totally normal, so don't stress about it. You can generate another one, and even if just one video turns out good, that's more than enough for your content. The best feature on LM Arena, in my opinion, is image to video generation. Here, you can upload your own image along with a prompt, and the AI will turn that image into a video. This method usually gives better and more accurate results because the AI already has a visual reference to work with. Within a few seconds, your image will be transformed into a smooth AI-generated video. So, yeah, that's how you can use LM Arena to generate high-quality AI images and videos for free. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, or someone who loves experimenting with AI, this tool is an absolute game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and comment AI if you want a detailed prompt guide next. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.